What's up, guys? In today's video I'll be switching out this old sink with holes and nastiness in it with a really nice new one that I bought at Home Depot. So check it out. Please like and subscribe. So when we bought this place, it came with this sink and it is nasty. It has a hole right here. It's permanently black. Try to bleach it, it's not working. And yeah, it's time to get that switched out. So here's what we're replacing it with. Let me get over here. All right, so this is from Glacier Bay. I did an unboxing video, so you can check that out. It has a work surface on top, so it comes with a bamboo cutting board, a tray with slits in it so it'll drain. That's stainless steel. It's just oxidized or black stainless steel. Two different instructions, one for the kitchen faucet and then one for the installation itself. It has some strange drying rack. This is a type of silicone, so it's not going to slide around on you. That's good. Two matching strainers with all the accoutrement. So we'll take those out. Then it has two sets of these standoffs for the bottom. I forget what they're called. Some kind of grate, which just allows you to store your stuff out of the water. Along with these, it came with some extra little snaps for these little plastic covers for the sides over here. You see there's some here. And I assume that they just get nasty and frail over time, and then you got some extras. So it came with one bag of extra for each one. It also came with the kitchen faucet, along with a weight on the bottom to pull, the handle back down again. The mounting hardware for underneath mounting, and then it has two different templates for if you are doing, it's a cutout for under mount installation, or if you're doing a drop-in like I'm doing, the top mount. So you got both here. So the idea is that we're going to save this for when we build a passive house. This is probably going to go into the in-law unit above the garage. So I'm going to save the templates so we have those for later. But for right now, we got to start removing that old nasty sink. So the sink is in. Now what I'm going to do is connect this stuff up. So we got two bowls in this one. Got to connect those to this right here. Got to install a P-trap. Also, you can see these are smaller. They won't fit on here. So what I'm going to do is change out those ball valves for these ones. That should work pretty well. So yeah, here we go. Everything went pretty well except for that my hotline was a little too short, so I gotta go to Home Depot and see if there's some kind of extension to get. But yeah, I was able to just cut the drain, attach a new sanitary Y, and then put the air emitter up here, just so that you don't get a vacuum in the line. Then have a T here, bringing the two lines together. One of them is different than the other. That's where you tie in the dishwasher. And you got your P-trap right here to stop the gases from the sewer to come back up. So there'll be a little water right here. And yeah, that should be good. So as soon as I get that hot water connection, this project is done. Hey, thank you very much for following along on this installation of our brand new sink. We can't wait to move it over into the new passive house later on, but for now, here's where it's gonna stay, and it seems to be a good one. Please like and subscribe and follow along. We're going to be doing a pool here in not too long, and also tying into the city sewer that they're digging up the street, getting rid of the septic tank. All right, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.